Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
Are you wanting to make some pour over coffee at home? I have been enjoying a delicious cup every morning thanks to this Unbreakable pour over coffee maker. This thing not only makes a delicious cup of coffee for me, but it also is stunningly beautiful. I never thought I'd say my coffee maker is decoration on my counter, but here we are, and I have one. It works really nice. The glass that they use makes it where it can go to really high temperatures or really low temperatures without breaking. So that's very nice. It also has this beautiful handle on it so you can pour it. It's very ergonomic and the wood is really beautiful. You can remove the handle for washing just with this little ball and bead on the leather. This particular size makes 27 ounces. For me, that's about 2 cups of coffee in the morning. So it's perfect to get me going. Another thing I love about this is the mesh strainer is reusable because I am not one to be good at keeping things in stock and then I run out of coffee filters and I don't have any available. But with this, I always have one. So if you are looking to try pour over coffee, this one will definitely make a delicious cup for you.
And that's my point of view.